Everybody, this is Jim Pier, showing how we put our load-bearing plate underneath the footing after we dig our hole. It's not easy. If anyone out there can tell me, that is a 2x3 half-inch thick steel plate. That's our load-bearing plate. It's a half-inch thick, cold-rolled steel. If anybody out there watching this video can tell me how many inches of concrete, or I should say, how many feet of concrete, strength-wise, would be equivalent to that half-inch steel cold-rolled sheet of steel right there. Anybody know the answer, put a comment down. I'll give you a free King Piers hoodie. So this hole here is ready for a King Pier to set on top of that plate and 2 hydraulic jacks. This hole here is ready for that plate right there. We're going to get them plates in there. That's our pushing platform. That plate will not sink. Got our laser level on the floor. As you can see, that's the high point of the house right there. That would be the west side of the home, towards the back corner. And if I turn this laser level into this room, let me turn the light out here. Well, you can't see the floor where the floor is, but it's about a 6-inch difference. So it's quite a raise right here. This is going to be a big raise. Where there's an action, there is a reaction. So stay tuned. We're getting ready. We're getting everything in place. And this job right here, the homeowners are wonderful people. Not because they hired King Piers, but because they are wonderful people. Have already been ripped off. What I mean by ripped off is the piers that they paid for before us. This whole house is sinking. It didn't even keep it where it was at. And when you spend that much money, well in excess of $25,000, that would really make me angry. So we're going to come in here, we're giving them a quality project. Here's some of the pier holes from their contractor before us. And we've got our King Pier holes on the outside of the house right here. Big hole right here on the other side of that wall. This right here is the high point in the basement. So we're going to, this pier over here in this corner is going to be a stabilizer. We don't want to raise it higher than what it is. So anyway, stay tuned as we get going here. We're crossing our T's and dotting our I's, and another thing we're going to have to do here is this copper line right here goes through the wall. And this right here is about a 2-inch lift. So I'm going to have to grind out that the bottom of that hole that pipe is going through to make room for the lift so I don't crimp that pipe. I don't want to cause the homeowner any problems, and it's going to cost me probably $1,500 to fix that. So Stay tuned as we get going out here. I've got lots of video footage on this project for the homeowner. I want to make this an example. I don't like going to a home that's already been piered. The homeowner's got a lifetime guarantee and it's not worth anything if they don't honor it. Not with King Piers. Never had a problem with repairs settling, but if I ever did, I'd be on it like white on rice and I'd solve the problem. Asking for no money, ever. So stay tuned with me out here, King Piers and Lee Summit. Thank you.